guys this stuff. Oh my gosh, this is hyaluronic acid. It also has skin brighteners, has a little caffeine in it, and this is the latest and greatest in hyaluronic acid products. So HA5, made by Medica, used to be the gold standard for hyaluronic acid. It's a pharmaceutical grade product. It's an excellent product. However, these guys, Skin Better, just launched Trio. And Trio contains skin brighteners as well as some caffeine. So you would put your antioxidant on in the morning. You do a couple pumps of this bad boy. This is your hydration. It's gonna help hold your own moisture in, keep your skin cells really happy. Your skin will look supple, hydrated, and it'll give you that nice healthy glow. This retails for $135. It is pharmaceutical grade, so they have to stand behind and they have science behind all of their claims. That's huge, because somebody just brought to my attention the other day a skincare product that's a cosmeceutical grade, which means over the counter, that had vitamin C and E ferulic plus hyaluronic acid. Well, guess what? Hyaluronic acid molecules, they're bigger than a vitamin C molecule and bigger than the ferulic acid actually. So if you combine that all into one product, then the vitamin C isn't getting where it needs to go in your skin. So it's not going to do what they claim vitamin C does. And that's where all this confusion happens, right? So it's like science class. You get what you pay for in this industry a lot of the time when it comes to pharmaceutical grade products. Anything that's over the counter, watch out if it's anti-aging. A lot of times the formulations aren't strong enough to do what it claims to do. So go back to my video on where to save and where to splurge on my channel, Beyond Skin Deep with Sara K. And if you like what I'm doing, subscribe to my channel. I'm just trying to bring good information to you. I hope it's helpful. Go get your Trio if that is something that your skincare regimen is missing, and hit me up with any questions.